Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Framer versus Wix. Framer is a powerful design tool, perfect for creating highly interactive prototypes and custom websites with a strong emphasis on animation and detailed control. Wix, on the other hand, is a user-friendly website builder, renowned for its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, making it accessible for individuals without any coding knowledge. Your choice will largely depend on your technical expertise and the specific requirements of your website project, whether it's a complex design or a simple online presence. Framer truly shines in its advanced design capabilities, empowering creators to craft intricate animations and responsive layouts with precision. It offers a flexible canvas where designers can build highly customized websites, either starting from scratch or leveraging its robust template system. Furthermore, Framer allows users to export production-ready code, providing unparalleled control over the final website's performance and appearance. This makes it an excellent choice for those prioritizing unique visual experiences and deep customization. Wix stands out for its exceptional ease of use, offering a visual editor and a vast library of over 800 professionally designed templates. It comes packed with integrated features, including comprehensive e-commerce solutions, powerful search engine optimization tools, and various marketing integrations, all accessible without writing a single line of code. This platform is ideally suited for small businesses, entrepreneurs, and individuals who need to establish a professional online presence quickly and efficiently, with minimal technical hassle. To decide, consider this. Choose Framer if you are a designer or developer seeking extensive creative control, custom animations, and a pixel-perfect design. Opt for Wix if your priority is ease of use, rapid website deployment, and integrated business functionalities without needing to code. Think about your budget, the time you can commit to learning, and the overall complexity of your desired website. Both are powerful, but cater to distinctly different user needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.